My first video for YouTube, and it's due to having faulty control on driver's window on a C-Max, Ford C-Max. Now, for a long time the driver's window hasn't worked. The passenger's window will go up, won't go down. Rear windows work fine. After a lot of looking on the web, I find nobody has put a cure for this. It's usually change the control panel in there, new switch, fuses. Well, it's not a fuse because these two are live. Usually say if there's two switches out, it's got to be a control or something, but no. I'll show you how we fix this with a pencil for nothing. Okay, right, I've simulated the fault because I've already repaired it. Right, now I'll unplug the switch. So I hadn't fastened it in, I've got screws out already just to save time. It's held in by 3 screws, in there, in there, in there. You find the back one is quite hard to get out. They're Torx screws, number 9. I had to cobble it by just taking the tool itself, pushing it up in and then getting a spanner on it, but I did it anyway. Right, there's the switch. Now you could buy one of those on eBay for £20 plus, but this repair's cost me nothing. Well, you got 6 screws. You take all of those out. They come out quite easily with the correct tool. Last one. Right, now then. Okay, now we just gently lever up. So, comes out like that. Right. One thing you have to watch putting it back is the pins there have got to go through those holes there. Don't bend them. Right, circuit board, that comes out. And underneath you see the business. Now those white bits of paper and me cobbling it to simulate the fault. We'll just take those out. That's a bit too far, but never mind. Okay, put that back in. Now then, anybody who's got an electronic keyboard will know exactly what's going on now. All you need is that. In here, these dots, they're carbon contacts. On here, you have the circuit they bridge. So when you press the lever that side, these pop up, press down on that, make a circuit, and your window goes wherever it should. Now, the ones we had the problem with, main one was the driver's door because that's used more than any other. This carbon wears off. So that's your switch. So what you do then, you get a soft pencil, this is a 4B. You rub the top with that pip in there, pip in there, pip in there, and all round them. Faulty ones, you can do the lot if you like, you want to make sure. There we are. Okay, you might notice this has dropped out. That is the wing mirror selector switch, which just fits on that little stub there. I think that's the right thing, is it? Yeah, there we are. See, it goes across like that. So if that falls out, you just put it back like that. Okay, so hopefully that should be cured. You put this back on. Obviously make sure these are all clean before you put them back. This down, cover. Again, making sure the pins Comes through nicely, good. Screws back in. So you have to excuse my shaky hands. Okay, there we are. Ready to go in. Right, well the easiest thing to check it is just plug it in. Ignition on. Right, there we are, put it the right way, there we are. So this window didn't work. Passenger's window didn't work. Down, and it's going up. The other two still work. Make sure the mirror still works. That one does. The other one does. Good. Okay, so all we've got to do now is screw it in there and fit the little bit of trim we took off. It's only clipped on, just be careful to take it off because the clips will break. Obviously put the screws in under there, clip that back in, jobbed in, done. Cost you the price of a pencil instead of goodness knows what in a garage. Okay, hope you like that. It's my first one. Might do one on the handbrake later. Bye.